Right, here's your choice. I can give you deferred adjudication. If I give you deferred adjudication, it's going to be for 2 years. Or I will give you probation for 1 year. No, I mean, the mother instinct is like you pick up the phone and call the police.
Yeah.
So did anybody hit him? Ms. Rodriguez, why are you in a fight with the complainants?
Whatsoever. This was just an unfortunate incident that got out of control.
Welcome to the Court of Justice.
Calling 2024 CR 1637, State versus Brenda Rodriguez. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
U.S. Court for the State of Texas.
Michael DeLeon for Ms. Rodriguez.
And are you Ms. Rodriguez? Counsel, have you received all of the discovery and did you review it with your client?
I have, Your Honor.
Court will find that the state is in compliance with discovery. Ms. Rodriguez, did you review the document entitled Application for Deferred Adjudication or Community Supervision with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you review the true bill of indictment with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, do you waive the reading of the indictment?
We do, Your Honor.
State, are you proceeding on the indictment as presented?
Judge, we're reducing it to a Class A assault bodily injury case.
Any objection?
No objection, Your Honor.
Did you review the document entitled Court Admonishments and Defendant's Waivers and Affidavit of Admonitions with your attorney?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor?
Yes, ma'am.
Range of punishment is up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail and up to a $4,000 fine. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
If you have a plea with the state, the court does not have to follow your plea. If for any reason the court doesn't follow your plea and gives you more than you bargained for, the fact that you entered a plea will not be used against you and you will be allowed to withdraw your plea. Did you understand?
Yes.
Did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call and the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand by entering this plea, you were giving up those rights?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you intend to give up those rights and enter into a plea in this case?
Yes.
Did you understand that the court would grant your application for deferred adjudication? If for any reason your deferred adjudication were revoked, the court could find you guilty and sentence you up to 1 year in the Bexar County Jail
Yes,
and up to a $4,000 fine.
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, has your client been able to provide you with any defenses?
She has, Your Honor.
Do you believe she has a rational as well as a factual understanding of the charges against her?
I do.
Do you believe she's currently competent and was legally sane at the time of the offense?
I do believe she's legally competent and sane at the time of the offense.
Ms. Rodriguez, has anyone threatened you, coerced you, or placed you in fear to get you to enter the plea?
No,
Anyone promised you anything other than the plea?
no, ma'am.
Are you satisfied with the way you've been represented?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you a U.S. citizen?
Yes, ma'am.
Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived her right to jury trial. Did you review the plea bargain agreement with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am.
According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is proceeding on the lesser included offense of assault bodily injury. There's a $1,500 fine. State is silent on your application for deferred adjudication. State recommends community supervision. There's to be restitution, if any, and restitution, if any, to Angel, A-N-E-L, Yoselin, Y-O-S-E-L-I-N, Soto, Figueroa. Did you understand that to be the plea?
Yes, ma'am.
Defense, is that the plea?
That is, Your Honor.
State, is that the plea?
Yes, Judge.
Did you review the waiver appeal paragraph with your attorney? Did you understand it? And did you sign it in both places?
Yes.
Did you understand by signing that you're waiving your right to appeal? The only items that can be appealed are written pretrial motions that have been filed, heard, and ruled upon by the court. Did you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Counsel, have there been any such motions?
No such motions filed, and I would like to be heard on her application for deferred.
All right. Outside the agreement, the state is requesting that your community supervision be for a term of 2 years. There'll be a TAP evaluation, 150 hours of community service restitution, and no contact with Angel, Yoselin, Soto, Figueroa. Did you understand those are recommendations from the state and the court does not have to follow those recommendations?
Yes, ma'am.
Then to the offense as charged, to the offense of assault bodily injury as a Class A misdemeanor. How do you plead? Guilty, not guilty, or no contest?
No contest.
State any evidence?
State all proceeds exhibit one and all attachments.
We reviewed that, Your Honor. We have no objection.
All right, did you review the waivers with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it in all the appropriate places?
Yes, ma'am.
Again, did you understand you have a right to jury trial, a right for you or your attorney to cross-examine and confront any witnesses the state would call in, the right to remain silent?
Yes, ma'am.
Did you understand that today the state will be presenting evidence in the form of witnesses' statements and police reports, but most importantly, there'll be no live testimony? Did you understand? Court will find that defendant has knowingly and voluntarily waived and consented to stipulation of testimony and stipulations. Court will accept into evidence states exhibits 1 and attachments and review the same. All right, after reviewing states exhibits 1 and attachments, the court will find there's sufficient evidence to find you guilty. The court will defer finding of guilt as you've applied for deferred adjudication. Are you proceeding with sentencing?
We are proceeding to, I would like to be heard on deferred.
Yes.
Ms. Rodriguez is 38 years old. She works at Popeye. She makes $13 per hour, Judge. No priors in her adult history whatsoever. This was just an unfortunate incident that got out of control. She's taking responsibility for that. We're asking the court to, if there's a possibility of probating any of that fine. Additionally, the state's recommending 2 years probation. We would respectfully ask for 12 months to 18 months of deferred adjudication, given the fact that, you know, she is entering this plea, and we believe that the whole burglary of habitation situation got blown out of proportion.
All right, so Ms. Rodriguez, why are you in a fight with the complainants?
It's, due to my son, but I didn't want to involve him.
That was what?
It was due to my son. He's 13 years old. He was visiting my father that lived in the same apartment. It's like a duplex as a noun. And she verbally was assaulting like him, telling him stuff. He called me frightened. I was at work actually, because I used to work from home. I went to go pick him up. I did not know that that was gonna happen. When my son got into my vehicle, he was just shaking. He, you know, things like that. So it just kind of, my mother instinct just kind of kicked in and.
No,
I
I mean,
just
the mother
realized
instinct
that.
is like you pick up the phone and call the police.
Yeah. I just-
So did anybody hit him?
It was just like, I mean, just threatening that was it for him, but,
So how do you know them?
I know her since she was younger, but my sister lived with her. My sister, she had a CPS case, and my sister was the one that was, living with her so she could have supervised visitation with her daughters, so that's how I got to know her.
All right, and who is Vivian Morales?
I don't know her. I think she was just there visiting. Anel, I don't even know who that is.
I'm sorry, Viviana Morales. All right, here's your choice. I can give you deferred adjudication. If I give you deferred adjudication, it's going to be for 2 years. Or I will give you probation for 1 year, but it'll be a conviction.
We'll take the deferred adjudication, Your Honor.
All right, the court will sentence you to 2 years deferred adjudication. There's a $1,500 fine that'll be probated, restitution if any, and no contact with Angel Yoslin Soto Figueroa. There's to be no contact with Viviana Morales. There's 150 hours community service restitution. That will be deemed satisfied once anger management is completed. Proof of employment within 30 days, no employment as a home health care provider or with minors. Regular reporting by Zoom or in person. Regular random UAs. Field visits, 1 time per month for 2 months. Probation, is there anything else? Is there anything else you need from the court? All right, did you review the document entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal with your attorney? Did you understand it and sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
Because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, because you waived your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Thanks for dressing appropriately for court.
Thank
I
you.
hope you look back on this and realize you should have done things
100%.
differently.
I'm not gonna, I have a grandson that I wanna visit in California, and because of this, I haven't been able to do that, so.
Okay.
Yeah, first and last time.
All right, but the grandson is not with your 13-year-old, right?
No, I have
Okay.
my oldest daughter, cause she's in the Navy, so she's stationed over
Oh.
there, so, yeah, my grandson is gonna turn a year, so I haven't seen.
Oh,
him.
you have to go over there and
Yes,
spoil
I
him.
do. So I'm
And
just
then
trying
you have to
get-
have your daughter say, you didn't allow us to do this, but then you can say, yeah, but I'm the grandmother.
Yes.
All right, good luck to you.
Thank you
Thank
so
you,
much.
Judge.
You're welcome.